Good afternoon, guys. So one thing I really wanted to go over with learning coaches and students is utilizing those maximum attempts in the online learning system when you score low on a quiz. So here we're looking at a student's daily plan. The student's name and student ID have been hidden. And let's say this student wanted to go back and take Science 2.3 Stars of the Night Sky. You would have to find whichever quiz that you want to retake on your daily plan. You can continuously go back in time, go back each week to find whichever quiz you are looking for or whichever lesson you want to retake. So in this instant, we are doing Stars of the Night Sky. So I'm going to click on Stars of the Night Sky, and it's going to take me to the lesson. It is going to say that I've already completed this lesson because I might have done the quiz already. That's okay. All you do is hit go back. You will then go to the menu bar on the left-hand side of your screen, and it will come up with a drop-down menu. You can have your student go through the lesson again if they scored low, or if you feel like you just didn't do your very best, you can go straight to the quiz. So here, you can see that this student utilized their 3 attempts on this quiz in order to get the highest score possible. That is what we want. We want students to constantly be using those attempts in order to get the highest score possible. So here you can see that the first time the student took the test or the quiz, it was a 75. Second time was a 75, and they went up to 100 on their 3rd attempt. 80% or higher in the online learning system is considered mastery. So if you score an 80% and you are happy with that, you can accept that for a grade. Now, if you do not get an 80% or higher, your quiz will say that it was not mastered, and you actually will have like a half circle filled in on your daily plan. So if you want to utilize those maximum attempts, please do so, because it's going to only it's going to enhance your knowledge and help your grade. And let's say you used your 3 attempts and you still didn't score well enough. Let's say you scored a 30, and a 60. That is still not considered mastery. All you need to do is message the teacher for whichever content area you're working on. For example, if you're working on this science quiz, you would email Miss Nunemaker. If you are working on an ELA quiz, you need to email Miss Jackson, and we can reset those quizzes for you so you can have unlimited attempts in order to get the best grade possible. I hope this video was informative and that it helped you have a better idea on how to utilize your maximum attempts.